Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a brake light bulb on a Fiat 500L. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a replacement 12-volt bulb. Having these ready makes the process smooth. Now, let's locate the rear light assembly on the side where you need to replace the bulb. With the tailgate open, you'll see two retaining screws holding the light unit in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire light assembly straight back. It might feel a little snug, but it will detach from the vehicle, revealing the wiring and bulb holders behind it. Now that the light assembly is free, locate the specific bulb holder for the brake light. Give it a gentle twist counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull out the old, faulty bulb from its socket. Take your new 12-volt bulb and firmly insert it into the empty holder. Make sure it's seated correctly for proper contact. Once the new bulb is in, twist the bulb holder clockwise to secure it back into the light assembly. Carefully align the entire light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into its original position. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws. Finally, test your new brake light to ensure it's working perfectly. For more great tips on managing your finances, check the description below for a link to an amazing book and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.